Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me, Jesse. I just want to invite you to like and subscribe, share with your friends. It means so much to me that you subscribe to this channel. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, it's me, Jesse. I am showing you right now a pineapple pear tree that is in full bloom. Well, it's not quite in full bloom. It's beginning to bloom. We got some blooms here. We got some more flowers over here. There are buds at various levels throughout the tree. This is a pineapple pear tree, which is an early pear, relatively early. Next to it we have a LeConte pear. This LeConte pear is about 9 or 10 feet tall. The pineapple pear is about 12 to 15 feet tall. But as you notice, the LeConte pear barely has a new leaf on it. Okay, right there. But you'll also notice way up high, there are a couple of little pears up there. What happened with these pears is this LeConte pear tree decided to bloom during the winter. And we had several freezes. So it would bloom, make it through the freeze, bloom. And it also had fruit set. So I don't think these fruit are viable. I think they're gonna die, and it's probably gonna have another flush of blossoms later in the spring. I will keep you updated as to what happens with this LeConte pear. Another pear tree that I have here in the garden is this ornamental pear. And I believe it's a Cleveland ornamental. There are a couple different types of ornamental pears. But as you see, it's really going into bloom right now. It's got all those really pretty white flowers on it. This is about 30 feet or so away from my other LeConte and pineapple pear trees. So as this is in bloom at the same time as the pineapple pear, it will serve for cross-pollination. Because that's one thing about your ornamental pears and your crab apple trees. They can serve as pollinators for your fruiting pear or fruiting apple trees, respectively. Now over here we are across the yard. And this is where I have my Kefir pear tree. It's budding and leafing out, but there are no flower buds to speak of yet. Behind it you might have seen some blooms and blossoms on a nectarine tree. Those are pink. But the pear tree blossoms would be white whenever they happen. This tree is about 8 feet tall, and it's been in the ground for several years now. There's part of the nectarine tree back there, which is putting on some of those pink blossoms I was talking about. But this video is about pears. So this pear tree here, next to it is about 7.5 feet tall. This is a 21st century pear. It was sold to me with the label as a moon glow pear, but I'm almost certain from the fruit that it is a 21st century pear. It has yet to do anything except right here We can see that little fuzz happening on the tips of these branches right there. That indicates new growth. So we are probably going to be getting some blossoms coming in right here. Now I'm up on the second level, which really might give you the best view of the blossoms and the blooms on my ornamental pear tree. Do you see how many they are? And as it continues to bloom and blossom, this tree will just be covered in white. Isn't that awesome? Well, thank you for joining me for my walk around the garden and my pear tree update. I hope you have an awesome time in your garden. Until then, happy, healthy gardening. Bye.